Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to let you know, unfortunately this is the view I had. I have a helmet I have a helmet bracket for my phone, but it's fabric, so it's not set like a proper fixture one would be. So I have decided to delete the rest of this footage, unfortunately. And I didn't get footage of outside the restaurant, neither. So I do apologise for that. I am looking at trying to get a GoPro style camera so I can actually show you the road better and stuff. Once I do get one, then I can start making videos I would like to make on this channel. For the meantime, there's going to be no drive-alongs or nothing like that. So yeah, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Also, I'd like to apologise for not being in a live on Sunday. I was looking forward to doing a live, but I was in absolute agony. I waited till last minute because I was hoping to still be able to do it. But yeah, I couldn't move my right arm. I literally could not move it at all. So I stayed in bed instead. But yeah, apologies for that. I am going to do another test. My camera has a strap you can put over your head, so I'm going to try using my camera itself. It might be a bit wobbly because of the wind, so I don't know if you'll see it or not. We will find out. But yeah, apologies for this video the way it is. I was hoping for it to be better, but thank you, and I'll see you next video. Right, here we are. We are at Huffers Cafe and restaurant. We're going to be trying it. Like I said on the ride here, I'm going to see if they'll choose for me. Quite interesting to see. I'm looking forward to it, seeing what they choose. So yeah, I'm just going to order, and then I'll see you when the food is here ready. You know, can I get a number 6 breakfast and a number 1, please?
Number 6 breakfast and number 1?
Yeah, please.
Same time?
Yes.
You want it? Okay.
Yeah. Put it on the same plate if you want as well.
Same plate?
If you want to, yeah. Saves washing up. It's just...
No, it's not that. I don't know if you can fit it or try. We'll try and make the video, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, just say, because it's only me, so it saves you washing up an extra plate for nothing, you know?
No, not at all. I mean, when unbelievable.
Perfect. Cheers, thank you.
Sauces.
No, I'm good, thank you. Cheers.
I could not believe it was happening to me. And it was back in the days when you had a...
Right, here we have it. I did manage to get both breakfasts on the one plate. We have... Let me show you my phone. Right, we've got sausages, we've got eggs, we've got hash browns, beans, mushrooms, black pudding, and then bacon and pure plum tomatoes and plenty of bread because I did get 2 breakfasts. So yeah, that is the breakfast. It looks pretty good. It does look pretty good. I like the marks on the sausages. Shows it's not been just deep fried. It's actually been grilled. One thing I wish they had a little bit tougher knife than a butter knife. Unfortunately, this video will be copyright striked because music in the background, but that's okay. I'm not here to try and earn lots of money. I'm here to give you good videos that I think you'll enjoy.
Well, the sausages are nice. Let's have hash brown. Right, let's give the hash brown a try. Oh, hot. Oh my god, this is piping hot. Right, let's have some mushrooms. Mushrooms are good. I hate when you have a breakfast and you're eating mushrooms and it has that grainy, sandy taste. This doesn't. This tastes great. Let's give black pudding a try again. Not really the biggest fan. I mean, I hate black pudding normally, but this version it's not a sage and onion flavour. It's not a sandy. So this is the third different one, different style I've had. It has like a meaty taste to it, like a kind of mild meaty taste. Not bad, but I don't like how soft it is.
Join me for Saturday breakfast tomorrow morning from 8 o'clock. Just ask your smart speaker to play. It's going to travel.
On the roads in Newport stop with the M4, both directions have a lane closed. Between junction 41 and 40, there's emergency barrier repairs happening, so it's making it fairly busy back towards junction 42 at Swansea East. If you're heading east,
that is a very nice, good quality sausage. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Come on, focus.
Just after the IKEA heading westbound, the destination is back towards Staples Corner, back in London, taking about half an hour. And in Hampshire, the A3 northbound is partially blocked after junction. Spoken that vehicle there, having an extra day, 30 minutes.
Thank you. Let's get some news headlines from Matthew now.
Thank you, Gary. It's 8:30. The US Vice President J.D. Vance has said America and Iran are very close to agreeing a ceasefire extension, which is expected to allow international shipping to resume passing through the Strait of Hormuz. Mr. Vance said he believes Iran will negotiate.
It's very, very rare you'll have a high street cafe which uses fresh sausages. Most use deep fried frozen sausages. I hate that. That's why I don't really go to cafes often anymore.
And intensive care patients at the hospital in London.
There was one in Ipswich called Star calf or something.
Will transfer seriously ill patients at King's College Hospital to the garden.
It was just frozen mush. You'll put your knife into it and then it just, there's no strength to it. There's no oomph to the thing.
Good morning, Gary. Yes, could we in 2 weeks' time see the return to tennis of Will Games grades? 4 years after she waved goodbye to the sport, Serena Williams was set to play doubles and queens in London. She has been strong. The 44-year-old has been free to return to the sport since in the drug testing. Britain's Katie Bolt has recently played doubles with Venus Williams, and she says a Serena comeback would be special.
It's so inspiring. I mean, for me as someone who has watched a lot of her career and see her win so many trophies and go through a few tough moments as well, and then having a kid and coming back, and it really does show a lot of women that anything can be possible.
You know what, I'm so relieved. I really, really am. Because I was expecting, I don't know why, but I was expecting this cat to use frozen sausages, even though there is farms, local farms around here that have farm shops and stuff like that.
But 189 to win. England stood up to 150 for 8 as questions remain about their batting lineup. The England standing captain Charlie Dean says they have to be better when chasing again.
The run chases are getting bigger and bigger in international cricket. It feels like we've not quite nailed that big run chase. India are an exceptional team. I know it's hard to get down into the middle or lower order. It feels like there was lots of positives to take out of the game, but yeah, not quite that complete performance.
And finally, Gary, Lionel Messi will play in a 6th World Cup as he captains Cora's Argentina this summer. He was named in their 26-man squad last night. He'll turn 39 during the tournament. He holds the record for the most World Cup appearances by any club.
How amazing is that? Wow. Yeah, really good. Is Ronaldo playing as well?
Oh, he'll be there.
Okay. It's going to be a good one.
Good.
All the best, have a great weekend. Thank you. 8:33 Radio 2 Breakfast Show. Kiefer Sutherland will join me after George Benson. And never give up on the good thing.
What I do love here as well is I've been left to get on with it, enjoy my food. I've not got anyone coming over saying, is everything okay? And they only do that when you've got a mouthful of food. It's like they always wait until you've got something in your mouth before they come over. I like how thick these sausages are as well. They're not, they've got some girth to them. If I knew these was going to be like proper thick sausages, I would have just got them on breakfast. Yeah, I would recommend this cap. what I'll do is I'm not going to say exactly when, but I do like the idea of getting like a mystery meal. Hubbard's Cafe does have outdoor seats as well, so I could have sat outside and not have to worry about the copyright music and stuff like that. But it said it's looking to rain, so I didn't want to be out there halfway through and it starts raining. Yeah, our 3 days. Our 3 days of summer is over.
Good morning. Alright, how you doing? Busy morning, we just had Christmas off. I believe you had a good chat with her in the green room.
Well, I said hello. I mean, I'm a huge fan of hers. And, yeah, I think she's a wonderful actor. So it's nice to say hello.
Good. You got your new album out today?
Yes, yeah. It's so funny. It's, because obviously with touring a record and I've played a lot of the songs before, it's always weird that there's one actual day where it happens. And in the US, it's kind of drawn over a long period of time, whereas here in the UK, it really matters. And so it's very exciting.
Tell me about Grey.
Grey is the fourth studio record that I've made. I worked with 3 different producers on it. Ethan Johns, Robert Luca, and Mark Neal. It's a really reflective album. I think I'm at a stage in my life where I'm quite comfortable looking back at what has happened over the course of my life. I think my observations are kind of more astute now in my life, and so I felt like I had something to say in the writing of the songs instead of making kind of observations of what I'm seeing around me. These songs are much more reflective of
This is like a big if.
me and what I've done and where
If I had to be critical of anything,
everything from my childhood to my
There's
kids'
only
childhood to
2
I've lost both my
things,
parents
which
over
is
the
nothing
last
major.
5 years, and just things like that, and then just kind of a good look back on life and some changes that I've made for myself, and those are reflected in the song.
So I guess a real emotional experience for you for this
For
record.
me, yeah, and I think one of the things that I've really enjoyed about touring is that I can see in the faces of the people that I'm playing to that if I share why I wrote a song and why I think this song is worth listening to, then invariably I see
First
someone has gone
is
through a very
nothing,
similar
man.
experience,
It
and I
is
think
the knives.
through music we can start to realize that we've
I would
got
prefer
lot
a sharper knife so I can get through my sausage easier.
And
Only
so
because I struggle with the grip.
really what I hope to
That's just a
accomplish
personal
when I play live,
thing.
and it's something that I hope to accomplish with making a record as well.
We're going to play a track from the album now called Goodbye California.
Yeah.
So what does this song look back at?
So a few years ago, I just decided after 35 years of living in and around Los Angeles, California, that it was time for me to go. And it was a difficult decision to make because my kids live there, my grandkids are there. My friends, the life that I built over almost 40 years is there. But it was just, I could really
And the
feel
other
it was time for a change.
is very minor as well. Is the tomato. I'd prefer it if it was cut in half and then grilled rather than sliced. It was like I had a slice of tomato.
You know, there were a lot of different kind of reasons. And so I made the change. And this song is kind of a very fond farewell to a place that made a young man's dreams come true. And the slightly older man has to go.
So where'd you move to?
I moved to the East Coast and just a small farming community in kind of upstate New York.
Are you a farmer?
No, I'm not. I'm trying. I used to be a rancher. For about 10 years I ran cattle and stuff in the central coast of California.
Yeah, I read about that.
Yeah.
Apparently you used to take part in rodeos.
I did. I rodeoed on the USTRC circuit for about 10 to 15 years. And it was a great time in my life, but it's Yeah, I'm trying my hand at gardening. It's a slow process.
Are you still riding horses?
No, not really. No, certainly not competitively. I love them, but I have a newfound affection for donkeys, and I think that they're funnier. And so I'm kind of aiming in that direction.
You still throwing rope?
I do every once in a while.
Ran the donkey?
No,
I like the bacon.
So we have what we would call practice.
Bacon's nice. Normally I don't like it as crispy.
Take a bale of hay and you throw a cow on it.
Yes,
and
bacon's
just
pretty nice.
practice with that. Every once in a while I'll do that because I find it quite relaxing.
Here is a track from your new album, Grey. This is Goodbye California.
Yeah, everything else, I'm very happy about the sausages, for sure. I should have saved some beans for the toast. Pardon me. I didn't even know, I didn't even know Kiefer Sutherland did music.
Kiefer Sutherland, Goodbye California, and Kiefer Sutherland is our guest on the breakfast show this morning, taken from your brand new album, Grey, which is out today. Back in Norfolk said, what a brilliant song.
Oh, that's generous. Thank you.
Morning Gary, morning to Kiefer. Been very lucky to see him play live twice, both times in Newcastle and this month too. Not only a brilliant actor, but also very talented and brilliant musician. This is Claire in Northumberland.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you.
Please tell Kiefer he rocked the Union Chapel the other week. And can I please tell Kiefer his new album, Grey, is awesome. I've had a difficult time lately. Kiefer saying he would make the sun come out for me. Love from Haley Ryan from Bristol. Many thanks.
Well, that's wonderful. I'll never leave this room.
I never want you to leave this room. I'm very happy to stay as long as you like. So you've just been on a massive tour.
Yeah.
How many days? 34 days?
We did 34 days in roughly 40 days with some additional travel days. But yeah, it was a grind. I loved it. And you kind of live for that moment between 9 and 11 p.m. when you're actually playing. But the grind it's real, and you know there's a real sense of accomplishment when you finish. And then oddly enough, about a week to 10 days later, you seem to be ready to do it again. But there's a reason why we've always finished our tours in the UK. We started as far east as Poland and Hungary, and made our way west. But we finish in the UK because we've always felt so welcomed here. Yeah, that and Greg sausage roll go a long way.
Absolutely. There's one just across the road. Cheers, just in case you're interested. Talking a bit of music. So, am I right in thinking that music was the reason that you became an actor?
Well, it certainly had an impact. So I for some reason, my mother
That's lovely.
decided.
I'm not going to finish the toast.
I don't know why it was just me.
There's nothing to go with it.
She had decided that I was going to play.
I'm not going to finish the hash brown because they're just there. You know, but yeah, it was very, very, very nice breakfast. Like I said, I will come here another day when it is lunchtime and ask the people to just choose something random for me and then I can give it a try.
And she was true to her word, and she got me a guitar. But the fact that I could play violin got me in my first play. And it was a play called Throne of Straw.
If you haven't been here before and you do live near the area, come and give it a go.
First act and violin at the top of the second
You know,
act.
if you like a variety, I'd say come lunch-ish time, a little after lunchtime, because they do an all-day breakfast. The breakfast ain't just for the morning time. So if you wanted to come here and have some other stuff, jacket potatoes, fish, pasta, grill, which says on the window, they've got plenty of stuff here for you to choose from, you know, so yeah. I highly recommend it, man. Yeah, really decent. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next video.